from the previous video, we discussed about user interface design. Before slide, we must mention about some user system interaction, and here information presentation. Information presentation is concerned with presenting system information to system users. The information may be presented directly or may be transformed in some way for presentation. The model view controller approach is a way of supporting multiple presentations of data. So information display factors is the user interested in precise information or data relationship. How quickly do information values change? Must the change be indicated immediately? Must the user take some action in response to a change? Is there a direct manipulation interface, or is the information textual or numeric, or relative values important? So let's see about the analog versus digital representation. Digital presentation compact, takes up little screen space. Precise values can be communicated. Analog presentation easier to get an at a glance impression of a value, possible to show relative values, easier to see exceptional data values. So alternative information presentation, in this type we should see the various values for every month. It should be changed. In January it should be at 2842, in February 2051, and March to 3164, April 2789, May 1273, and June 2835. That should be various by every month for using the particular thing by user. So it is an information display. The first one, dial with needle, pie chart, thermometer, horizontal bar. These are all the things which show the product output in various types of way. Displaying relative values, it should be maybe pressure, or either pressure or temperature. Textual highlighting, the file name you have. Every documents in systems we have regularly shown the command like this can be successfully completed, and it can't be updated. Like those commands should be displayed in our system. So in that case, file name you have chosen has been used, please choose other name. It's a kind of command which can be sent by system to interact to the user. So next, data visualization, concerned with techniques for displaying large amounts of information. Visualization can reveal a relationship between entities and trends in the data. Possible data visualizations are weather information, state of a telephone network, chemical plant pressures and temperatures, a model of a molecule, hyperwave. Color displays. Color adds an extra dimensions to an interface and can help the user understand complex information structures, can be used to highlight exceptional events. What are some common mistakes in the use of color? The use of colors to communicate meaning, overuse of color in the display. Color use guidelines. Don't use too many colors. Use colors coding to support use task. Allow user to control color coding. Design for monochrome, then add color. Use color coding consistently. Avoid color pairings which clash. Use color change to show status change. Be aware that color displays are usually lower resolution. So error message. What is error message? Error message design is critically important. Poor error messages can mean that a user rejects rather than accepts a system. Messages should be polite, concise, consistent, and constructive. The background and experience of users should be the determining factor in message design. Nurse input of a patient's name. Please type the patient's name in the box, then click OK. We just mention a name Bates J. So is it OK or cancel? Means we should press that button. Then system and user oriented error messages. This is the system oriented error messages and user oriented error messages. There is two types. User interface evaluation. Some evaluation of a user interface design should be carried out to assess its suitability. Full-scale evaluation is very expensive and impractical for most systems. Ideally, an interface should be evaluated against a usability specification. However, it is rare for such specifications to be produced. Usability attributes: learnability, speed of operation, robustness, recoverability, and adaptability. Thank you.